What's up people, and welcome to another vlog. And there she is, the birthday girl for the birthday weekend, and the amazing people who are over there. We all are heading out, and I'm telling you guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't make me have this guy come up and beat it up to you. So yes, go subscribe the channel right now if you haven't already, and click that like button, share, and this vlog is gonna be amazing. You don't know what's coming next, so stay tuned for the rest of the day. For now, we all are heading
to the outlet mall.
So we are here people, and you guys just missed a little bit of fun because these people over here just offered their loving sister that go buy anything on us.
And they got me to outlet malls and they're saying go buy anything you want.
Yeah, so I was just asking them if they can be here for my birthday. I like Cadillacs and I like some cars, so let's see. It's too far now. I missed my window, I guess. What are you trying?
Try rings. So I just tried this one.
Ooh.
But it's not in my size.
Okay, we are out of Swarovski. I would have bought it, but she didn't have a size.
Yeah,
so,
I didn't have a size. And he's very happy because of that.
So
I didn't have a size.
So let's just go, and that's not the sad news. The thing is, they don't make a size for her in that particular design. The company doesn't make it at all.
I'm happy because I can go to expensive brands now. I can go to expensive brands because I'm sure they will make for my size.
Like K Jewelers or something.
Yeah.
Yeah, she can go anywhere today because they are buying whatever she wants. So I'm like, I'm all good. Her brother is here and he said he's gonna buy. She just need to point a picture. No, point to. Okay, we are going to another mall right now and see you guys there. Babe, what did you get?
This is my dark chocolate shake. Milkshake. Oh, look at this.
Oh my
Unlimited
God,
chocolate.
This is Godiva dark chocolate shake. Oh my gosh.
Even my straw is in dark chocolate color. I have no idea.
Is it good?
Oh my God. So good.
Nice. What did you get?
Vanilla and chocolate ice cream with Oreos on top.
Oh
And almonds around.
my
There you go.
gosh.
You might need this. A lot of these.
Look at that. That's fancy.
Let's see it.
Wow. Taste it and let us know.
Yeah.
So good.
Fine. $3,000.
Lemon?
You get it. It's a crown.
Melon. Oh man!
Oh my God.
Dal makhani is cooking in here. Ashley, have you smelled it?
You want to smell it? It's exactly what it is.
Wow, it smells so good.
I'm glad to hear that you're saying it is exactly like over there. So
She'll tell you.
Oh my God, it smells just like it.
Huh?
Yeah.
I told you guys.
So I guess we are on the right track. The dal makhani is cooking. Whoa! Marvel, what did you get? Oh my gosh!
Stay. No, stay. I know you like it. I know. Alright. There you go. Good boy.
You take it on your bed and play. Wow, Marvel, can you show me what you got? Is that your new toy? Oh my God, who got your new toy? Is that your new toy? You like it?
Yeah, you like kawan paratha?
Wow!
I'm making kawan paratha for
For
Marvel.
Maya,
Why are you getting so many things?
I just found something. So there is this,
I love it.
and there is gym shorts. There you go.
Wow, I'm starting to feel it's like my birthday.
There's nothing for Tanya today.
That's fine. You guys are here, that is more than enough for me.
Oh my god, I'm gonna try these and show it to you guys. I totally love this. And by the way, look at all the paneer sizzling over here. So paneer is sizzling over here, and dal makhni, dal bukhara is over here. Look at that consistency, people. Only if you could smell that delicious food. So anyways, we are gonna serve it. We'll give you one more look, and we are making tandoori roti and lachha paratha, and then I'll show you when everything is ready. Okay people, so there is a variety of food that everybody is eating. So we have dal makhni here. We have paneer tikka masala. No, it's not paneer tikka masala, it's tandoori paneer. There is mint chutney. They are eating lachha paratha. That's her plate. And Tanya and I are eating some. I'm eating butter roti, and she's eating the normal tandoori roti. And look at that dal makhani. Okay people, so we are having some fun time because we are playing this game called Sorry. So do comment and let us know if you have ever played this game. We played the first round. Of course I won. We are playing the second round, and we'll see how it goes. Let's get started people.
Alright. Move forward 8.
That one is not killing me. Oh my god, that's the smart kid. Yeah.
4-1.
You would have got that one.
You would have killed me. I think he comes out to those play places for him to switch.
He's trying so hard to get past this. Oh my god.
Stay.
No bye.
Let's go.
Thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy early birthday. Thank you so much.
It's barely an hour left guys, and she already is getting presents. Because she has to go to work tomorrow morning, so I guess they just gave her a early present. So let's see what you got.
Come here. Where's it going?
See what I
Where
got.
is your toy?
Look at that balloon.
Oh, bubble bath? Seriously? Oh my god. And the smell is so good. Oh, I love it. Oh yes. Yes, I love it. Another thing to my collection.
You wanna show it?
You guys know how much I love coffee mugs.
Yep, I think all our subscribers know how much you love coffee mug. Yeah, it's like a mermaid.
Excuse me.
Mermaid fin. Bless you.
Oh my god. I cannot open the next one. Oh my freaking god. I love it. Look at this bag. Oh my god. I love it.
That's okay. That's okay.
Oh, come here.
I love this bag. Thank you so much. You guys, thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
That's just part one.
What? This was part 2 actually, because you guys came. That was part 1,
And then there were friends t-shirts.
and there was friends t-shirt, and that's all. I didn't want anything
Oh, come here.
else.
You got another one. Come here. I will show you.
I would say that is the most amazing start. Like this weekend started yesterday, but still.
Yeah.
You having fun
Not
yet?
even my birthday yet, and I cannot imagine. Oh my god, what is going on today?
You having fun yet?
Yeah.
You excited what's gonna happen
Very
tomorrow now?
Oh my god. I am extra excited now.
So you have seen an early birthday celebration has already started. So I'm gonna end this vlog right now, because then I'm gonna start another vlog and we are gonna see you in our next vlog with her actual birthday and the celebrations. Yes, she has to work tomorrow. She wakes up at 5:30 and leaves at 7, but we have everything planned and we are gonna accommodate her work timings into our plan. So no problem at all. We are gonna see you in our next vlog. So, oh my god, I can't finish a vlog here. Do you see that? I can't finish it. You have to give him a treat, and that's how he leaves. Yeah. Marvel just took all the wrapping papers and
Just
everything.
give him a treat and he'll give you everything.
Yeah.
Okay, Marvel.
So Marvel, just drop it. Go get a treat. See, that's how easy it is. Just go get a treat. Go. Just give him a treat. Anyways, now I can end the vlog. So anyways guys, thank you for watching this vlog, and if you are posting your birthday wishes on this vlog,
Thank you so much.
and thank you so much for subscribing us, watching us, loving us, and we are truly blessed to have you guys as part of our internet family, YouTube family. So stay tuned for more vlogs, and don't forget to watch all other vlogs that are supposed to come for our birthday. We are gonna see you in our next vlog. Until then, say everyone,
Bye bye.